The question says, given that 27 raised to power x plus 1 equals 9, find x, okay? So what do we do? Solution. So for 27, okay, raised to power 1 over 1 plus x equals 9. So let us have 27 in this form. So we have 3 raised to power 3, so that's 27. Okay, x raised to power 1 plus x, okay, so let's have it this way, equals, so we can have 9 as 3 raised to power 2, okay, 3 times 3 is 9. So what do? We apply the exponent rule, okay, and we have something like this, okay, it seems as say a raised to power m times n, the inner power we multiply the outside power, so we have this as a raised to power mn. So we apply this to this. We have 3 raised to power 3 times this. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 3 times x is 3x, okay, equals 3 raised to power 2. Since we have the same base, so let's equate the power. We have x plus 3x, okay, equals 2. So 3 plus 3x equals 2. So we can collect the like times. We have 3x equals 2 minus 3. Okay, for x to be 2 minus 3, so we have here 3x equals minus 1, and we divide both sides by 3, so the value of x is minus 1 over 3. Thank you very much.